a quick video about a water leakage problem out of my gutter. So I put a level on this and it was level. And then I saw this water leaking first. So I was like, how do I fix this? Is my gutter not level? So I put a level on this, it was level. Everything's level. So I knew the water had to be coming from somewhere else. So I've probably pulled out, I'm using this little like putty knife that glides under here. I'm getting all this out. I probably got about 70 pounds of this stuff out. I'm not kidding. I got 2 cardboard boxes like that full. So, and it's just a short gutter. It's not a lot. It's got to be at least 70 pounds of this stuff. But that was causing the weight to come down. But what I'm also going to do for you guys, if it's also leaking, a quick tip, because how do you bring this up a little bit if it's actually losing water? But I think it was caused by the mass of all that. I just had new shingles put on, so all the mass from all the little stone that in there. So it was probably about halfway here. So there was nowhere for the water to go other than back this way or that way as it rained hard. But now that I empty this out, it will flow in the direction it needs to come out the downspout. But quick tip for you guys, I'm gonna mount that gutter up about a 1/2 inch because of the weight that it dropped. And you could do this. What I did is I put little wedges. If you guys understand, I put little wedges up here to shim the gutter up. So that was one idea I had. But to go to make this even better, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole in that stone and that gutter right there as I lift it up. So I'm gonna lift it up about a 1/2 inch, maybe even 3/4 of an inch. Put a screw through the brick. You're gonna need a cement drill bit to get through that stone. But once I do that, I know it's gonna be solid and it's not gonna be able to sag, and the water's gonna flow in the direction it needs to. Because all that water dripping down on my brick and that much water coming up against my foundation is not a good thing. It can cause all kinds of problems in your basement, your foundation. It's not instant, but it would take like 30 years. And then this house would start to sink right here, maybe even a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch. And inside, you'd have a problem when you try to sell it, but we'll probably be dead by then. That's about it. Just made a quick video on gutters that are level, but not draining the water in the direction that it's supposed to. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button.